just outside the city. The floodwaters are rising.
These two reporters have a long night ahead of them.